Oh, wow, man, that's nice. Hell yeah. Mm, not bad. Mm, I mean, it's okay. Certainly no palace. Are you fucking kidding me, man? What? I'm just being honest. Good evening, and welcome to another edition of It's Saturday Night. Do you know where your love is at? With your host, The Stroke. Oh, yeah, baby. Come here. Oh, yeah, babies. Good evening, and welcome to another edition of It's Saturday Night. Do you know where your love is at? I, of course, am your A number one bona fide, sexy, some bit of a host, The Stroke. Oh, yeah, baby. The pleasure's all yours. Okay, now listen, babies. I know I told y'all once, I told you twice, I probably told you about 11 times. That's right. This weekend, the stroker finds himself out in the deep, dark woods in a nice little cabin. You know, got some triple C boys and FDR vibes going on. Oh, yeah, baby. Anyways, take that for what you will. But, babies, there is something to be said about getting out in nature and finding oneself and centering yourself. And, you know, there is definitely an impact to being away from the bright lights in the big city. You know, just taking a step outside, which we are going to do very shortly. I'm going to take y'all around the perimeter. I heard some crazy spooky noises out there earlier. So we're going to go and check a look out. Maybe we'll get some peep eyes out coming at us from the deep dark brush. Who knows? We're out in the wild, babies. This is going to be a fun night, let me tell you what. Yeah, that kind of thing. So, babies, I'm going to take a nice little venture outside. It's a little crisp out there tonight. A little bit, just a little bit. But you know how it is. The stroke's hot enough to keep everybody warm in this whole world. Or at least I like to believe so. Oh yeah, baby, I said it. Oh, check it out. Since it's so dark out here, we're gonna go with a little bit of mood lighting here. Gotta watch my step. Oh yeah, babies. So we are outside, as you can see. Give me one brief second, babies. Elixir of greatness. Oh yeah. We're gonna have to change this. It's just simply not enough light. Let there be light. Oh yeah, baby. Anyways, so yeah, let's go take a little journey. We're out here in the woods. See, this is new territory for the stroker. Well, not necessarily new, but been a while since I've been lost in the woods. Babies, perimeter check. Everything seems cool. I'm sorry, y'all gonna have to deal with a terrible lighting situation up here. But we're at least gonna go ahead and try and get... Babies, like I was saying. Here. Un momento, por favor. Just simply was not going to work like this, so I'm dealing with what I can. I'm out here in primitive nature. All right, there we go. Set the elixir somewhere where it's safe. Whatever the case, now y'all can see me. Just like I am lost in the woods, babies. I am lost in this episode. My apologies for the rambling nature of it all. But I guess that's exactly what was meant to happen. Coming out here to these wonderful, deep, dark, beautiful woods. Getting away from that hustle and bustle and recentering oneself. Maybe that's why my direction arrows, my barometer, my thermometer, my is off this evening. Maybe it's not for the worst. Maybe it is. Actually, maybe it's actually a good thing. Maybe this is what Oprah used to talk about with those aha moments. Or a eureka moment. I don't know. Remains to be seen. But babies, regardless of any of that, regardless of what I'm pontificating on, what I'm trying to convey, what I'm picking up and I'm hoping you're picking up what I'm putting down. Center. Create. Direct. Focus. Thoughts. Yes, here we are, babies. I hope each and every one of you is having yourself a wonderful Saturday evening, and I hope to God that you have found your center. And I'm hoping that you've been able to do it without having to escape into nature, where all these electromagnetic pulses and waves and frequencies can affect your inner dialogue. God dang, I'm poetic. Anyways, babies, thank you for joining. Hot damn, it's almost greater in the woods. Thank y'all for joining for another edition of It's Saturday Night. Do you know where your love is at? I, of course, have been your number one bona fide Lost in the Woods host. The Stroke. Oh, yeah, baby. Struggle.